Welcome to Chitrayan Drawing Class for Kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a angelfish easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first I draw a sleeping line at the middle of the page. I draw a plus sign. This drawing is similar to the kite drawing. Now I join the point. We draw a triangle at the right side. Now I erase the guideline. I finished my drawing, now color it. Medium yellow, orange. At first I make the border line, then I fill up the color. Dark brown. Primary red, orange, primary red, light blue, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.